Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to recover your deleted Snapchat messages backup trick. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to recover your deleted Snapchat messages, all you gotta do is simply go to your Snapchat settings and request for your data from the Snapchat app itself. So simply tap open your Snapchat and go to your profile. After this, you need to tap on the gear light icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Now, once you're in the settings, by tapping on it, simply scroll down below. So once you scroll down, you can find this thing called My Data. Simply tap on it. You will end up in this kind of interface. So now you need to select data to include, like you can select anything and hit the next button. Once you hit the next button, you can also confirm your email address and tap on submit to send the request. Now wait for the data file to be prepared and an email to be sent with download link. Now simply download the zip file and extract it to view your chat history. So this is how you can simply recover your deleted Snapchat messages and have some clarity with stuffs. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.